How to make a dot crosshair in Valorant. So first you just simply need to go to settings. So go to settings, then go to crosshair, and just simply put the code that I will put in the description below. So click on import profile code, then paste the code right there. So I'm just gonna put the code right here. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here on the profile. Click on import. As you can see, this is the first dot, which is a very small dot. Next one is a large dot, which is this one. So I'm going to import it, paste, import. So this is the second dot, which is a little bigger than the first one. And the last one is the round dot. So I have it right here. So just you could just import it also. And this is the round dot right there. So these are all the dot profiles right there. And that's basically it.